live in Barangay 3, number 23, P. Hernando Street, Lawag City, Ilocos Norte, Philippines.
Hi! I'm Stephanie Taclan Malapit.
Ma'am.
I live at Barangay 27, Licon Street, Lawag City. My parents are Olimar Labrador Malapit and Soledad Taclan Malapit. I have 4 siblings. Dion, Kathleen, Joshua. I have niece, Kylie. Thank you. I am 19 years of age. Last November 18. Thank you.
Additional. Only child, me.
Additional extra rice.
Additional extra rice too, because I eat a lot. Thank you.
I have 9 pets. Name, Irish, Audrey, Ali, Desa, Cesara, Sarah, Janessa, Joanne, and our guard, RV, who died yesterday. Driver, Edmar, bodyguard, Sherwin, and
No more. Audrey.
And no more. And here's Audrey and Irish live on Go!
Handicap ka.
Ay, sama na.
Hello.
They're shy. Pet.
My father's name is Ian Summer. Hold up.
Commercial, this is Aryan. Aryan, say hello to the video. Ano yung pagkita, DJ?
Hello.
Hi!
This is our muchacha.
Muchacha.
Wala kaming klase.
Uy, stop yung tagalan.
Stop.
Uy!
Stop.
Yes, hindi man, hindi lang.
Stop.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.